Hi, Trisha Sandalu here. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own personalized sign up link for Young Living. This link will make it super easy for your friends and family to join and get their own starter kit. So let's get started. So you want to make sure that you've already signed in in your virtual office. Now, once you've signed in, you go to virtual office and member resources and from there, you will see this link builder. You click that link builder, and you can also find it here on the left side. So once you're already here, it says Link Builder. Create your own personalized enrollment links. This tool allows you to create enrollment links to share online via your website, email, social media, or advertising. So here you will see your member ID as sponsor and enroller ID. So just in case you haven't decided who will be the sponsor to your new member, just leave it as is. So just leave your member ID as sponsor and enroller ID. Now let's say your new sign up is from Australia. So you just click that arrow down and choose the country. You can type it Australia. And then you can choose the language, it's English. Membership type, you can just put distributor or customer. Then you can copy link. Now, if you want to shorten this link, you can go to this website that's bit.ly and then you create new link and then just paste here the link from your virtual office and you can customize it by putting here, let's say, for example, sign up with Maria. And you create that shortened link. Okay, sabi dito, half optional. The exam, it's already is existing. So sign up with Maria Sandalo. Create new. Okay, because I already created that one. So so example, you can just create there. I already made that link here. I put sign up with Trisha. So you can just use that instead. So copy link. So once you already have that, you can send it away to your friends in Australia who wants to get their own premium experience set. Now let's try using the link to a different browser. And once they enter that shortened link in their browser, it will lead them to their website in Young Living Australia. So that's how easy it is to make your own sign up link. So for example, they're from the Philippines, so you just choose the country Philippines. Anyway, when you give this link to them, copy link, just give it to them, it will lead them to the Young Living website. And that's it. How easy it is to create your own personalized signed up link.